I'm Ryan Austin, MD of Austin Mix Limited, race gear and TF signs. I've been involved in the sign and graphics industry for 25-26 years, which encompasses all kinds of general signage exhibitions. We also do a lot of workwear, and recently we've started doing a lot of sports garment manufacture too. And that's kind of led me into the sublimation marketplace a little bit, and to merge my love of motorsports with my day job. Over the course of the last 10 years or so, I've been involved with helping the Great Britain ISDE team, International 6 Days of Enduro, to create their riding gear and general team apparel and basically elevate their presence on the world stage. But due to COVID and Brexit and just the market space right now, we had to manufacture them in the UK because they've been manufactured in Italy previously. Last year we had to source a machine and the fabric and a platen press and everything in a very short space of time. We decided on the Epson SureColor. It was the right size machine and it was competitively priced and it suited our requirements. I phoned CMYUK like on a Thursday. They happened to have something in stock, so we had a demonstration from Brett, and he showed us the simplicity of the machine and kind of its plug and play characteristics that would help us to get going with what we needed in quick fire time, really. And then on the Tuesday I think it was delivered and installed at our factory. One of my major concerns was having a good control over the colour and the consistency and not having to do too much every job, and this machine has proved to be perfect for that. The machine produces nice consistent colour. We've set some simple colour profiles which we try not to deviate from because the consistency of that just is perfect every time. And there's lots of scope to develop, not just in my hobby areas, motorcycles and motorsports, but cycling and fitness and stuff like that. And as we need to, we can scale up with what we've got. But to be fair, this workhorse is perfect for the job at the moment.